Log on everybody, Nikita here, and today I am doing for you my Amazon favorites. These are some of my favorite things that I've purchased over the years. Some of them span as far as 26. So let's get right into it. So the first set of items we have are in the realm of fitness. So when I started my fitness journey some time ago, some years ago actually, I purchased some items on Amazon. I purchased this armband that have served me through many a 5Ks. I used to do 5Ks back in the day. I've done about 10 of them, and I had this on my arm the whole time. I also purchased a mat. All the items I'm sharing with you will be linked below. One of my best friends and I, we purchased this mat that at that time took forever to come. I will link it below, as well as I will link alternative if it still takes. I think it took about a month. Maybe shipping has improved, but I'll link this one below, as I said, as well as an armband is no longer available, but I will be sure to link a similar item. And this mat that I've had for so many years, that I've used for so many workout events, it really is Old Faithful. So the next couple of things I want to mention, this I mentioned in my recent Amazon haul, and again I said it in that video, I would have purchased this item over the years. From I've been using aloe vera gel, I've been purchasing it from Amazon, this particular brand, Lily of the Desert, and it lasts me. I repurchase this about twice a year, as well as something I also mentioned in another video, which is my Aztec Mask. Guys, my mask, it expired. I've had this so long. I definitely will be purchasing the small bottle, the £1 next time. I'm kind of extra. So when I made that purchase, I did purchase, I think this was £2. But yes, I've used this many a time, mainly for skincare. Again, in the health and beauty realm, I purchased these babies. These are my glass nail files. It came in a pack of 6, which I gave, I think everything I don't have, I gave away, which is 3 of them. And yes, I really love them. They are sharp, but not too sharp. They are like perfect for filing my nails. I want to get my nails gelled for my birthday, so I'm ensuring that they're healthy. So I went in and I cut them down, except this one because it's so healthy. But I went in and I cut them down and I filed them, and I normally shape my nails, and these is just perfect. It doesn't, I just love it. I wanted to get glass nail files because I know that they are better for the health of your nails, and I definitely did not regret this purchase. As I said, it comes in a pack of 6 or so, and it is $7.99, so definitely not expensive. Another item that I love from Amazon, this is one of my best purchases also. I purchased this gift card set a few years ago, and it comes with different, I would have taken out the ones that are finished, but I know, for example, it comes with like birthday, it says it on the back, so it comes with 9 birthday cards, 5 thank you cards, 5 wedding and / anniversary cards, 4 congrats new baby card, and 5 sympathy get well soon cards, and 4 friendship encouragement cards. So it came with a total of 32 cards. I think I probably spent $15 at most, because I'm not really do over $15. I'm not really do over $15 unless it's something. This probably was about $15 at the time. And some of the cards are finished. What I have left is the congratulations new baby. I have some wedding and anniversaries left, and I have sympathy get well soon. All the birthdays are gone, and whatever other categories, the thank yous are gone. I really enjoy this purchase. I will be making a second purchase of this. I love the idea that I purchased these items in advance, so it was there and I was ready, you know, to give somebody a thoughtful gift, and I can get to personalize it. So this is definitely something I will be repurchasing. It's something that I enjoy. Like, all the items I've been showing you so far though are things that I've purchased. I either plan to repurchase, or I plan to repurchase, or I have this is something I have repurchased. This is something I will be repurchasing. this is something I will be repurchasing. And the glass nail files, I think more than likely I will repurchase them after a few months or so. All right, we are going to more gadgets, technology. This is one item. I've had this for a number of years also. This is my second one. The first one I end up giving to my niece, and a power bank. I think it's something essential. It wants to charge. I think this is something essential that everybody should have. This particular power bank, it has 2 plugs sections here. It takes and it will give you about 2 full charge. It's essential. A power bank is essential, right? Again, in the area of gadgets, technology, I hate ironing. I hate ironing, guys. It's probably my least. Iron and wash plate, I'm gonna like them too then, right? Ironing, I had to iron my clothes for work, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to invest in a steamer. Also at that time I was dancing a lot more actively, and dance costumes are the worst thing to iron. Almost the worst thing. The material and thin, you have to be so careful. So I invested in a steamer. I haven't used it as much as I thought I would, but definitely something I'm glad I have. Sometimes I have a delicate fabric dress, or as I said, dance costume. Even if I'm not dancing and I'm going to assist my dance group, steamer comes in clutch. And is this the last item? I think this is the last item in my Amazon favorite, guys. My blow dryer. So I don't really blow dry my hair like that, but if you've watched any of my hair videos, you would know that I have this hooded dryer attachment. So this is how I use my blow dryer. I purchased this from Amazon a few years ago. Still use it fairly often. A great blow dryer, relatively cheap. And I normally I know I look ridiculous, I normally use it with this hooded attachment. I just put it on. Again, this is not something you can do with one hand, but I put it on and boom, dry my hair if it is that I'm setting a style. So I normally use it with the dryer attachment. So this particular dryer attachment was purchased from AliExpress, which I can link below, or an alternative on Amazon. I'll also link that below. So guys, these were my random favorites from Amazon. We had electronics, we had some personal care items, we had some gift ideas. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed my Amazon favorites. All the items discussed will be linked below. Definitely shop my links. Thank you for watching. Walk good. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.